Creating an emergency fund is a crucial financial step to provide a safety net for unexpected expenses or financial hardships. Here's a concise guide. Set a goal. Determine how much you want to save in your emergency fund. A common rule of thumb is to aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Open a separate account. Create a dedicated savings account for your emergency fund. This separation helps prevent you from dipping into it for non-emergencies. Budget and cut costs. Review your monthly budget to identify areas where you can cut expenses. Allocate a portion of your income to fund your emergency account. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your main checking account to your emergency fund account on payday. This ensures consistent contributions. Increase income. Consider finding ways to increase your income, such as a part-time job or freelancing, to boost your emergency fund faster. Windfalls and bonuses. Allocate unexpected windfalls like tax refunds or work bonuses to your emergency fund rather than spending them. Prioritize high-interest debt. Before fully funding your emergency fund, pay off high-interest debts like credit card balances to reduce financial stress. Track progress. Regularly monitor your emergency fund's growth. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated. Review and adjust. Periodically review your fund size and adjust your goal as needed, especially if your financial situation changes.